Is your CPU extremely high? Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can lower down your CPU so you can play your favorite games. So, uh, if you do find this video helpful and you do enjoy it, make sure you go down and leave a like. Um, Also, go down into the comments and leave a comment saying if you have any other problems, which I might be able to solve, and go and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 150 subscribers before the end of the year. So just go and down below and subscribe. Just so I see that you like what I do. Right, let's go and begin the video then. So first up, so your CPU should sometimes reach 100. I'm not going to open up a game because that would take too long, but for me it does reach 100. As you can see, my main problem is OBS and like the games basically. So what you want to go and do is first of all you want to go over to start and right click, don't left click. You want to go and right click so this pops up. You want to go over to device manager. From here you want to go down into system devices. Then you want to go to high precision timer. I'm going to say this again. So right click on start, go over to device manager. From here go down to system devices and click and highlight high precision event timer. From here you want to go and click disable device. I already have it disabled, so for me it will say enabled, but you do have to click disable device. So now you want to go, you can go and close down task manager. No, that's device manager. Next, what you want to go and do is you want to go and click on start, and then type in power. From here, you want to go down into edit power plan, and then this should come up. So go on start and type in power, and then click on edit power plan. From here, you want to go and click on change advanced power settings, and then this window should pop up. From here, some of you may be able to do this, some of you may not. I've no idea why, but you want to go and click on high performance, click apply, and then click OK. For me, it won't actually allow me to click apply for some reason, so I'm just gonna leave that one, but hopefully it works for you. Right, next what you want to do is you want to go and right click desktop again, or you can just go and type it in and go onto task manager. Why is task manager using so much, man? What the hell? Right, so now you want to go and click on startup, which selects what like programs will run as soon as you start your computer. So just go and scroll through this. Only got a few, and disable the ones which you don't want to go and use. So for example, I don't want Opera GX to activate on startup, so I'm just gonna click. I'm gonna highlight it, right click, and click disable. Same for the assistant. Okay, so just go through here and deactivate them. Here you can see the startup impact. So Opera GX is both high. So for example, the Java update scheduler is low. So just go and look for the ones you should mainly disable if you can, the ones which have a high impact. So let me just quickly go through this. I don't know what this is, however, I'm just going to disable it. And I'm going to disable this as well. There we go. Right. So now what you want to go and do, just give me a second. Alright, so now what you want to go and do is you want to go onto a performance and go onto your CPU, and you should see that it's a lot lower. I hope this video helped. I will make a part 2 if I find some more stuff you can do to lower your CPU, and yeah, hope I helped in this video. Like I said, go down below, leave a like, leave a comment if you have any more troubles, and also go and subscribe if so you don't miss out on the next video. I will see you in the next one. Peace.